We have some, I look at the OTO reports. We have some die-hard first-class mail people in there, and they all seem to send 500 units a month, which leads me to believe that. And I don't know any of them. I don't know, they're not career path people. They're not on Discord. It makes me think that they do just tons and tons and tons of local neighborhood research. Maybe they're retired. They found a little pocket of a couple of condo complexes that, they wanted to buy a unit, maybe clean it up and resell it or rent it out. And so for some reason, they think first class is better than that. I mean, can anybody explain to me? We're in this business and I still don't know why first class is better. Get there faster?
I don't know.
I'm really asking. I really wonder. I don't know. Yeah. I've been inside of it. If you're bored with your life, go and ask for a tour in a sorting facility. I don't know if you can do it now with COVID, but in a real sorting facility for the post office, and how they can separate first class mail and how they get it there faster is, I don't know.
From what I remember, when I was doing Pebble and all that, was they were saying that there's more chance they're going to open it. I think if it's first class versus standard, maybe it looks more like junk mail. I don't know. That's what I think. I remember hearing.
But I get all kinds of things from 401k or whatever, from old stuff, and I don't think there's a stamp on it, and I'm still going to open it.
The cash flow from land program, Jill and I talk about this a lot, and I haven't wavered from this at all, but unless somebody thinks I should, but because I've tried all this stuff. I've tried handwriting on the outside of the offer. I've tried literally putting $1 inside the envelope and all these kinds of tricks. And in the end, we always got the best response with just a blank envelope and a window, a single or double window. Because it looks like, I always want to know what's inside when I get that. Mm-hmm. It's like getting a debit card from your bank, a new debit card. It's this is important enough that there's nothing on the front versus all that other stuff that makes it look like junk mail. We've gotten everything, Jill and I, on the properties that we own. And it's the last thing I want to see on the outside of my mailer is with an exclamation point, offer for your land inside. I just think that junks the whole thing up.
Right.
I did a couple mail campaigns. This was years and years ago. I was working with a buddy of mine at the local real estate investment group, and we're doing these yellow letters for assignment, SFRs. And I did it a couple times, but it just felt super scammy to me. And we put up these bandit signs. I was like, I just don't really feel comfortable with this, and it just feels sleazy.
Yep.
I agree.
Me too.
Totally agree.